At this moment, we are learning Adobe Lightroom color correction and noise clearation in beginner level. Adobe Lightroom is a professional photo editing software. You can edit your photo. It's so cute. And at this moment you can see here many type of photo you can edit with Adobe Lightroom. You can select a photo and edit multiple color, noise clearation, focus clearation, and many things you can do here. At this moment, we are learning Adobe Lightroom color correction and noise clearation in beginner level. You can see our previous photo editing. We edited a dog picture. At this moment, we are editing a new dog image. Okay, first you need to select the image. You can select your image, use add photo here, but we are editing Adobe Lightroom default photo. Okay, first to find out which photo you want to edit. Okay, I saw a new photo in our first page. Okay, go back to first page. You can see here a new photo. You can see here the cute dog. Okay, today we are editing this photo. You can see here this photo have a dog. This image is not clear. This image light not so bright. You can see the right corner. This is the editing photo. You can see this image or color is so good, and the dog is so clear. You can see all everything here. Okay, first we'll create an impactful pop portrait. Indoor image can something turn out a bit dull and dark. For this tutorial, I will use the color and light panel to make this indoor portrait come alive. Okay, in this image we'll change three core features. That's first a color feature, second a light, third effect. Okay, okay, let's get start tutorial. Please like our video and leave a comment. What do you think about this editing, and share with your friend. Okay, at the first moment you can see the image. You can see the image color is not so good. You can see doggy is not so clear. First, at the first moment we are cropping this image. Okay, we'll crop this image. Okay, and we back go to our color panel. Then select a light. This is where I will correct the expose by brightening the shadows and darkness, the highlights until it's just right. Okay, continue it. The light expose plus it, highlights minus it, shadows plus it, and whiteness minus it, and black minus 2. Then color feature, That is where I will make a few selective adjustments with color mix to add pop and create balance. Okay, continue it. Then situation plus it, then select color, then luminec, minus it, then select yellow color, then situation plus it. You can see our image is going to be changed. Okay, looks like better. You can see the dog hair is so cute and each any others you can see so clear and colorful. Plus it, then select yellow color, situation minus it, then plus it. You can see our image is going to be so good. Then our gradient, select gradient, minus it. You can see, then change it. At the last moment, where take the first action, that's the effect. Let's start by shooting the image with the task of use texture and the use curtail circle to add the touch of the punch to possible this image. Okay, continue it. Okay, then select effect. The last moment we are selecting effect. Then clarity. They tell us congratulations, that's look pretty great. How was your experience? You know my experience is so good, but tell me a comment. What's your experience with this image editing? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for help us. Thank you so much. At this moment, we're trying to add this image to our thumbnail. First, we take a screenshot. Then open a paint app, paste it, and fully scan it. Just get crop, and we are cropping this image to here to here. Okay. Then crop it and save the file PNG. Save it. Okay, selecting desktop and save it. Close it. Thanks for watching. Please stay with us, subscribe our channel. We do this again for our experience going to be better. Okay, thanks for watching again. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel. Stay with us. Thank you.